Here's what you need to know about Valencia, California. I'm going to cover 30 days of sold real estate listings so you as buyers and sellers can make better decisions when it comes to whether you want to buy or sell in Valencia, California. So this past 30 days, the market activity showing Valencia remains an active market with properties selling in an average of 30 days, showcasing a healthy balance between buyer interest and inventory availability. For the fastest sale, a property did sell within 7 days. That highlights the demand for well-priced and desirable homes, probably cash, probably waiving all the contingencies to be able to close in that time frame. As far as sales prices go in Valencia, the average closing price for sold homes was $693,898, with sales ranging from $612,500 to $765,000. Higher end homes, particularly those with newer builds or larger lot sizes, tended to sell at an upper end of the price spectrum. Financing trends: for a majority of buyers, they utilized conventional loans, with some FHA-backed purchases also evident. FHA buyers represented more budget-conscious purchasers, often targeting homes in the mid to lower price ranges. Property characteristics: most homes sold were classified as residential properties with zoning designations like SCSP and LCA 25. A mix of newer homes, 2022 to 2024, and well-maintained older builds, 2004 and newer, were available, catering to diverse buyer preferences. Lot sizes varied widely, with smaller lots starting at 0.74 acres and larger properties exceeding 3 acres, appealing to those seeking outdoor space or privacy. For buyer insights, I would suggest move-in ready properties. Buyers were drawn to newer homes, often featuring energy-efficient designs with modern amenities. Quick closings: homes with strong curb appeal and competitive pricing sold rapidly, so buyers should come prepared with pre-approval letters and a willingness to make a competitive offer. For seller insights, I would suggest strategic pricing does matter. Homes priced correctly for the current market typically sold within 30 days, avoiding extending time on the market. Lot sizes: larger lots and newer construction were significant draws for buyers, so emphasizing these features can definitely lead to stronger offers, and conventional financing is key. Sellers may prefer buyers with conventional loans due to quicker approval processes compared to FHA or VA financing. Key takeaways for buyers and sellers: for you buyers out there, the Valencia market offers excellent options in both modern and classic homes. To secure the best deals, act quickly on desirable properties and ensure financing is in order. For you sellers, with demand being strong, pricing competitively and marketing key features will attract buyers. Conventional financing remains the dominant trend, providing smoother transactions. This is the information for Valencia, California. It is timely and based on a 30-day snapshot. You can go to SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com to get individualized market reports for each of the cities. There are no ads there. It is my website, owned and operated by yours truly, and I'm here to serve you. I'm Connor with Honor, over and out.